Hello friends, how are you friends? I hope you will be well friends. So friends, in this video we will see the how to convert the binary to the decimal. You know the friends, binary equals to for example friends, I'm writing here the binary number uh, 1111. All right friends. So you know the friends, this one is in the decimal form is the triple one is equals to 7. You know the friends already, but now the friends, we will in this video we will convert the binary number into the decimal number. So let's get start friends. If you want to convert into the decimal into the binary, so you can follow the in the description boxes link I have provided in the description boxes, so you can go through and you can be learn them. Okay friends, now I am going to the solve this the problem binary to the decimal. All right friends, binary to the decimal. All right friends, so let's get started friends. We will convert into the binary to decimal. All right, so friends, I'm going to write the program. So you know the variable, first of all we will take the input from the user. So I'm going to take the num variable. All right, and I am taking the input from the user side. All right, and after then friends, we need to the two variables it will be required. First one, it will be required for the store the answer, and I will initialize it with the 0. All right, and one it will be required friends, it will be increment. I will everything explain in the program friends. You don't worry why I'm taking the input, why I'm taking the I integer. So friends, now move on the next. First of all, I'm taking the here the while, because this while it will be check the it will be check the number is number whose number is provided by the user, and this number is should not be 0. It's mean this number is not is equals to be 0. All right friends, when number it cost when is number it will be not is equals to 0, so while condition it will be true, and after then while condition it will be perform. All right, so I'm taking the one input again inside the while loop, we will because we need to the last digit of the number. All right friends, so I'm going to take here the one input, one integer again here, and I will one perform the here, store the variable here, number, sorry, number and modulus 10. All right friends, so friends, in this side the program, you will last digit it will be stored in the digit variable. All right friends, for example, you know the very well, when I will when I will divide 111, so we are known already na, this one, this triple one is 111, but now we will perform the as a we will treat in this program 111. All right friends, but we know the already friends, this one is a we are providing the variable, this one is providing we are binary. All right friends, but don't worry friends, we will this binary number we will be used as a treated like a decimal number. All right friends, so move on the next friends. So we will write the we will use here the answer variable, because no friends, first of all here it will be check the digit. All right, we will check here the digit digit is equals to should be 1. All right, when it will be 1, so friends, after then it will be one condition it will be performed, answer is equals to, and answer plus, and one here the method it will be used, power method. You know the very well friends, it will we will find the square of the 2 to the power I. So friends, you know the very well why I am taking in the first line here the I, because I it will be increment one by one. So friends, you can see here the compiler is taking the error here, the red line. So because the first of all we should be uh, import the math function math.h. All right, so friends, so you can see here the friends, it will be removed. Okay friends, now it has solved. So friends, we will out from the if block, and uh, we will divide the number is equals to number divide is equals to 10, and after then friends, we will increment of the t sorry I. Okay, after then friends, we will see out the program. Okay, see out the answer. All right, and all right, so friends, you can, if you have any problem, so friends, I don't worry friends, I will again it will be explain it. So I'm going to run it the program, and you can see the result in the terminal. So friends, here the taking the here the compiler is taking input, so I'm going to provide the 101. All right, so you know the very well friends, 101 is it's a decimal is equals to 5. So now check it. So you can see here the friends, this one is a, once again, it's not showing. Again I'm going to the run it program. So I'm going to the take the I'm going to the I'm going to the here the taking, I'm clearing it everything, and I'm going to the run again. So I'm going to provide the input 111. Triple one is equals to in the decimal form is the 7, but right now yes, you can see here the friends, 7 has printed in the terminal. So you can use the any binary number, you will give the any binary number, just like a 10101. So it's 21 should be. Yes friends, you can see here the 21 numbers friends. So friends, if you have any problem friends in this inside the program, first yeah, here it will be confused friends. So don't worry, feel confused friends, because here friends, I had incrementing one by one. So friends, and after then here the answer is a variable. First of all I have initialized with the 0, and friends here the 2 to the power I, and one iteration it will be complete friends, because here the last digit it will become, just like friends, I am taking here the, for example, I will take here the triple one. All right, you know the friends very well what is triple one is equals to the 7. All right friends, so that's like friends, here it will become here 111 triple one, and here it will become, so here it will be remainder it will become inside the digit. So last digit it will be a store in the digit variable. All right, so digit variable is equals to, here the condition has true, and after then it will be perform the 0 plus, because already has the 0. All right, and 0 plus power is equals to 2 to the power 0, because I has first time I have initialized with the 0. All right, so here it will be friends, 2 to the power 0 and plus 0 is equals to be 1 friends, because you know the friends 2 to the power 0 it should be 1. All right, and after then friends, here it will be divided by 10, so it will be 101, sorry, 111 triple one is divided by 10. So what will be the friends, uh, 11.1 it was. So I'm taking here the, I'm taking here the integer variable, so it will be it will be consider only the value, so it will be stored in the insert in the number variable 11. All right, so 11 it will be check here the not equals to, not is equals to 0. All right, condition is true, and after then it will be perform the again here the remainder it will become 1, and after then friends, 1 here it will be because I plus 1 1, so I it will be 1. All right, 2 to the power 1 and plus answer we have stored the 1. So plus 1 plus 2 to the power 1, so what will be the 3. Just like friends, again it will be next expression it will be complete, it will be 4. So friends, inside the front, inside the problem, inside the program, if you have any facing problem, so friends, if you feel free to comment in the comment box friends. I will definitely to help you. So friends, thanks for this watching video. If video it will be help for you, so definitely you will be comment in the comment box, so I will be. Thank you. So friends, thanks for this watching video.